Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. I hope you guys are okay. I hope you guys had a nice weekend and I hope you guys had a nice Father's Day. So first, thanks for watching this video one more. Alright, so today I'm going to talk about some basic Linux commands. Alright, we spoke, I'm making a series of videos for those who doesn't know for who doesn't know. And this will be the third video of the series, and we're going from Linux basics to some advanced stuff. Right. So first of all, let's open the terminal. So Control Alt T to open the terminal. All right. Well, what kind of commands can we learn in Linux? And how can we use these commands? Well, first, we have a manual for almost all of the commands. If we type man and then the command ifconfig, let's say, we're going to receive some information about this command. All right, so let's clean this. Control L to clean the terminal. So the first command we are going to talk is to discover the host name of our machine. Obviously, the host name is right here, Ubuntu. But let's say we are on the target machine or we're working on the server, we just type host name and then we are going to see the name of the host. Okay. Now, if we need more information, we just type host name ctl, and then we receive like static host name, icon name, chassis, machine ID, boot ID, virtualization ID, operating system. All right, and then here we have the complete name and version, the kernel Linux 5.15.0, and the architecture is x86 64, so it's a 64 operating system. All right, perfect. But now, how can I know the user that is connected, or what's the name of the user? I just type who am I. It's going to give us the name of the user, but there is one more command that we are going to receive more information about, like the time, what was the time this user logged in. So who am I, oops, sorry, who, and then we're going to receive this information right here, the day, month, the year, and the time this user logged in. Okay. Also, we have another command, w, that's going to show us the username, the TTI from login, what time you logged in, the idle, the GCPU, the PCPU. Okay, so it's going to bring us more information about this user. All right, or we can type users also. Here will be Obelix. So remember, I told you guys that some commands have more options. So man w, and here we are going to check here no header. So when we type w h, there will be no this header explaining us what is each of these columns. Okay, so again, man w, and then we have no current. It means ignores the username while figuring out the current process and CPU times. Right? So let's back there, and we are going to see in details. In other videos, we are going to explore more these commands. So, alright, I already saw the command, the username, the user I'm using till I'm logged in. So how do I see the processes? PS. The PS we see the process, but we can use man PS also. And then here we are going to receive more information to see, like examples, to see every process on the system. We could use PSE, PSEF, PSEF, and others. PSE, all right? PSEF with more details, and PSAX, all right, or PSO here, more details yet. Okay, so what does means each of these commands? Let's make there man PS, and here we have the explanation, all right, like aux to see every process on the system using DBS syntax. So we use these commands. Okay, to see every process running as root, we just use PSU. Okay, so PSU root, here all the process running as root. You guys can see over here all of these processes are from root user. Okay, I could specify another user, example Obelix. All right, so yes, you Obelix, here all the process running as Obelix. Okay, so we have the user, the process ID, the CPU percentage of use, the memory usage, and the size of it. All right, and then we have start time and the command we used. Control L. Perfect. So let's say we need we have to create a directory. How can we create a directory? It's very simple. mkdir, and then the name test uh, Linux. All right, perfect. Now I'm going to create another one. Okay, so mkdir test. Oh, it's already well, that's a file. So mkdir folder. Okay, ls. Then we have here a Linux, and then we have here folder. Remember, for Linux, files and the folders are the same thing. There is no difference as Windows. Like in Windows, we have folders, and then we have files. On Linux, everything's the same. Okay, so let's see the tree of sudo apt install tree. Let's wait. Okay, the second blank is answer here. Okay. So, well, just back here. Let's say we want to see the tree of the system. We just type tree, right? So it's going to be a long, long, long list. Okay. Now let's say mkdir mm, cd linux mkdir Jesus, sorry guys. Test ls cd test um, touch. I'm going to show you guys this command later too. Test. Alright, so cd back. Alright. So if I want to see a tree of a specific directory, I just say tree Linux, right? And then we have the tree. Okay, so let me just go there, cd Linux test. So I'm inside. Okay, so now I navigate back to the main directory or my home folder. Well, we have the cd. Okay, cd test. Cd means change directory. So I have this another option. This. Oops, cd and this, and we're back to the main directory. So, well, these are the basic commands. Now, to list all the files, we use the command ls. ls, we're going to see all the files. But on Linux, we have some hidden files. How can we see these files? Those files are very easy to check out. LSA, and then we see here with dots, they are the hidden files and the hidden directories or the hidden folders. Okay, so there's logs, there's browser information or the software information, some config files. So let's see the how can we check the information, like the permissions, the size of the file, the owner, the group, right? It's very simple. Either L. So here we have the permissions, we have the username, we have the group, we have the size and the time of creation, and then the folder name, the file name. Okay, so ls ol, we'll get some more information. But okay, let's say we want to see these details, but we don't need to see the group. It's simple, lso. Here, see the difference? We have no group no more. So yeah, that's it. Now, how can we copy one file to another file? Or first, let's create a file, okay? To create a file or multiple files, use touch R1, R2, R3. Done. We created the files. They are empty. I'm going to show you guys right now. ls. So we have R1, R2, R3. So if I to check if in the file is anything, just cat R1. It's empty. Cat R2. The cat command will get the information inside the content inside the file. Alright? So there's many other commands like top, tail, head. There's the ifconfig, as I showed you guys. There is pwd, there's the directory I'm working in right now. Here, pwd, show me or show to the user the currently directory. So let's back here. Now we have to copy a file to another place. So to do that, we just say cp copy or to, let's say, to documents slash And if we navigate to cd documents and ls, there is this file. Okay, so perfect, we caught it. Now let's back there, cd. We are on the main folder again, on the root, on the home of our user. So now we want to move one file to that directory, specific directory, the documents directory. How we do that? mv for move r2. Okay, r1 is better. Documents. Okay, and cd documents ls r1. Now if we back to the main folder, home folder, we don't have no more here. Okay, so we moved the file. What else? The cat, we can make two files, one file, two of them, like cat. Let me see what I have here. One. Okay, cat two. All right, so let's to delete a file, we just type rm. All right, ls, and we removed or unlink and the name of the file, and there is not going to be the file no more. So we have rm to remove or unlink to remove the file. Okay, so let's say we want to create a new file with mixed documents. So cat rom1 and rom2, and then bigger rom3. So ls, we just create a file cat with the information we mixed between Romulu1 and Romulu2. Okay, so this is the command. In the another video, I'm going to show some internet networking commands. Okay, and then we're going on and advanced. So we have more commands, of course. We have much more commands to learn in Linux, as sudo, add user, remove user or del user, add group, del group, and many other commands. All right, we have firewalls, we have app tables, we have many other stuff to cover on this course. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a like, share my content, and subscribe to my channel, and help me grow my channel. Right? Thanks a lot, and have a nice day, have a nice evening, have a nice night, have a good night, and take care of yourselves. See you guys on the next video.